Hello friends, myself Drishya, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Here we are in the subject Design Analysis of Algorithm 23 CST 204. Today we are discussing about the analysis framework performance analysis, which is the time complexity and space complexity. This is the mind map we already discussed in all the lecture series. The mind map is the all contents relates in that design analysis algorithm. First is what is performance analysis? The performance analysis evaluate the efficiency of an algorithm. Today we are discussing about the performance analysis. What is performance analysis? It is evaluate the efficiency of an algorithm. Everyone write the algorithm, then check the efficiency by using this analysis. That is performance analysis. It measures how well an algorithm use. So we have two methods: time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity is the execution speed. The algorithm is how the algorithm is executed, what is the speed of the execution, and space is using usage of memory. The algorithm for different the same then helps. Okay, that is space and time complexity. Why performance analysis is important? Why performance analysis is important? The performance analysis, look in the diagram, the data collection, data transformation, data visualization. Why performance analysis important means it identifies optimal algorithm, improve program efficiency, saves memory and execution time, essential for large scale application, important in placements and interviews. This is the main importance of performance analysis. The types of performance analysis is we already discussed time complexity and space complexity. Today we are discussing about the time complexity and space complexity. It is mainly the performance analysis. Two divisions are time and space complexity. Both are analyzed before execution. This is theoretical analysis. So the time complexity, it is the time complexity is the amount of time algorithm takes to run. Amount of time for an algorithm takes to run, or one algorithm is how much is the time used for how much time takes for solved a problem. That is the solved the algorithm, that is the amount of time. This is the time complexity. It depends on number of inputs elements and the types of operation performed, expressed as a function of input size. This is the graph representing time complexity. This time complexity is linear output and etc. The next is ideate cases in time. Next is cases in time complexity. Best case, average case, worst case. So here various time complexities are: quadratic time complexity, order of n log n time complexity, constant time complexity, and logarithmic time complexity. The best cases, it is the minimum time taken. Then average cases, the expected time for random inputs. Then worst cases, maximum time taken for to run a program. The example is linear search. For linear search program, the best case is order of 1 and worst case is order of n. And common time complexity notations are order of 1, it is represent the constant time. Then order of log n is logarithmic time. Then order of n is represents the linear time. Order of n log n linearithmic time. Then order of n square is quadratic time. This is the common time complexity notations. So space complexity. Next is, this is the time complexity concept. The next is space complexity concept. Space complexity measures the memory required by an algorithm. It includes input space and auxiliary or extra space expressed as a function of input size. So the types of time space complexity are fixed space, variable space. Fixed spaces, which means the constant variable program code. Variable spaces, dynamic memory, recursion stack, temporary arrays. For example, recursive function use more space due to stack. Hope all of you understand the performance analysis types that are time complexity and space complexity. Thank you.